Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna bake orange chicken. So this is about 3 pounds of chicken that I trim away the excess fats, then I wash with vinegar and water solution, and then I put to drain. I am gonna pat dry using a piece of paper towel. I also cut the back of the chicken. Yeah, so that is that. So what I'm gonna do is to pour around 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. You can use whatever oil you want to use. So I'm gonna pour 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil on it, rub it, and then I'm gonna put some butter under the skin right here, and to keep it moisturize basically. So yeah, so I'm gonna season the chicken with these spices, Maggi all-purpose Maggi chicken seasoning, Cajun seasoning from Louisiana, Badia complete seasoning, black pepper, paprika, and Lorry's seasoned salt. You don't have to use these spices. You can use the spices that you want to use. However, if you want a Caribbean flavor / Jamaican taste, use the seasoning that I use, right? And these are the herbs that I am going to use to what I'm gonna do is to put them into a chopper and mince them, and then I'm gonna use them and season the chicken, because of course I'm a Jamaican, so say me have to use these herbs as well. Scallion, I'm telling you, man, I cannot get the red stalk scallion. The red stalk scallion up here is red instead of white. I do not like the white stalk scallion because it is not as seasoning and flavorful as the red stalk scallion. These are the scallion that you will find overseas, the white stalk, but the red stalk, you can get that in Jamaica as well as the white stalk. However, they are scarce right now, so I have to settle for the white stalk, which I really do not like, as I mentioned before. And I'm gonna use like these peppers. This one is called banana pepper, so it's not hot, it's just there for flavor. I am not sure if this pepper is hot, because I've tried it before and it is not hot. So if I smell it and it smells hot, then I will not use this one, right? And I'm gonna use a piece of onion, and I'm also gonna use 2 cloves of garlic. So now is to pat dry the chicken to get rid of the excess water. So I'm gonna add salt, you know, if you pause it, too much space to make you walk your finger. I'm gonna add Lorry's seasoned salt. Try to go fast. Body a complete seasoning. And Maggi chicken seasoning. All purpose. Cajun seasoning. So first. Flip it to the other side. Pause. You pause. I'm gonna add the oil first with this step. Pause. Salt, paprika, body a complete seasoning. Like I said, you don't have to use all these spices. You can use the spices that you want to use, but if you want the Caribbean flavor, use the spices that I use, right? This is black pepper. The one before that is I don't remember, but I'm using all the spices that I use over on the other side. And this one is the all-purpose. So I am gonna go in with my hand and just season everything, right? Just gonna sprinkle some of the Cajun seasoning and leave it like that. So I'm gonna flip it, and I'm gonna pour some oil. Pause. I'm gonna pour some oil. You can pour the oil before you add the spices if you want. Just want to ensure that the chicken keep moist in the oven. Pause. So I have some butter here, room temperature, that I'm gonna put inside the skin of the chicken. We are dealing with moisture. I want the chicken to remain moist in the oven and also to add flavor to the chicken while it is being baked, right? Just push it down as far as possible. Cut. So what I'm gonna do is to sprinkle some Cajun seasoning on top, right? And I'm gonna leave it just like that. I'm just gonna leave it like that. An orange that I slice, right? So what I'm gonna do now is to put the chicken in this roasting pan. Skin side up, right? So what I'm gonna do now is to place each slices of orange under the chicken so that the flavor from the orange can infuse into the chicken or onto the chicken, like just like that, right? Pause. So I am not gonna mince the herbs, the fresh herbs. What I'm gonna do is to just sprinkle it on top of the chicken like this, right? So I'm gonna try to put everything on the chicken because I don't want it to burn if I put it in the pan. Garlic. So I'm gonna use, this is banana pepper. This pepper is not hot. It is more for flavor than heat. And this is the scallion, and of course, you know, say up here so don't really have no flavor, right? So I down here, so all of the flavor there. So I down here, so I use. So I'm gonna try to let everything just stay on top right here. And I'm gonna cut this pepper and smell it. I'm gonna pour yeah them. Alright, so that is that. You know, is to cover this with file paper, and then I am gonna put it in the fridge to marinate for around 1 hour, because it is quite early now, right? So I'm gonna put this in the fridge to marinate for 1 hour, and then I am gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I'm gonna show you when I'm putting it into the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven covered for the first 20-25 minutes, and then I remove the cover. So see you back when I'm ready to bake the chicken. This is what the chicken looks like 20 minutes into the oven. So what I did now was to remove the file paper. So I'm gonna rest it back in the oven without the file paper. So I'm gonna return it to the oven without the file paper.